Hey, it's Bey, and today I'm gonna be reviewing the Vaultskin Manhattan Bifold wallet. This is a pretty slim bifold wallet that can hold up to 9 cards plus some cash. It's made from high quality top green Italian leather that will age very nicely. I'll put a link in the description to where you can purchase this wallet if you're interested. The presentation is really nice when you open the box, and it's a very similar unboxing experience to the Vaultskin Chelsea. Make sure to check out my video review of the Vaultskin Chelsea. I'll put a link in the description, or you can click the card that popped on the screen right now. Anyways, the box comes wrapped in plastic and there is some information on the wallet on the back of the box. When you open the box, you will see that the wallet is wrapped in some tissue paper. Inside the wallet, you get a thank you card, and on the back of the thank you card, there is some information on the wallet. The leather on this wallet is just amazing. It feels very high quality and it smells really nice too. This wallet feels like it's worth much more than it actually costs. The stitching all around this wallet is very nice as well. On the front, you have a card slot, and I like to put my debit card in this slot for quick access. Towards the bottom, you have an embossed Vaultskin logo, but it isn't too flashy, and the back of the wallet is plain. On the inside, you have 4 total card slots, 2 on each side, and the cash slot. The card slots can hold up to 2 cards each, and I like that there are 4 slots because you can further organize them. Even with cards in each slot, you can still reach every single card, even the ones in the back, thanks to how the cards are cut out. The cash slot can hold United States bills or any other bills that are similar in size. As you can see, the back part is just tall enough to conceal the bill, which means that taller bills like British pounds and euros won't fit in this wallet. If you want a Vaultskin wallet that can hold British pounds and euros, check out their City wallet. I'll put a link in the description to the Vaultskin City as well. Of course, this wallet has RFID protection that blocks scanners from scanning your cards. That means you'll have peace of mind that no one is going to steal your information, which is great. To sum it up, you really can't go wrong with the Vaultskin Manhattan Bifold wallet. It's definitely one of my favorite wallets because you can carry a lot of stuff, but it stays relatively thin. It's in between a minimalist wallet and a regular bifold wallet, and I think that it's the best size for most people. It's made out of high quality materials, and it will definitely last for a long time, and it will develop a unique look over time. I highly recommend purchasing this wallet if you're looking for a new bifold that's slim, minimal, and looks much more expensive than it actually costs. That was my video review of the Vaultskin Manhattan Slim Minimalist Bifold wallet. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!